Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, but first things first, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now looking at the box, you got the plain black box with Nike printed all around the box. So what we have today, we have the Air Max Plus 97 in the Racer Pink colorway. You hear me? Now these retail for 215 bucks. How they came up with that price, I have no idea, but it is what it is, man. Now upon opening the box, man, you got the plain white paper. Other than that, nothing else. So here we go with the shoes. The Air Max Plus 97 in the Racer Pink colorway. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all straight out of the gate, now I think the shoe is kind of clean. You know what I'm saying? But these colors, me personally, I'm talking about me, I can't rock with these colors, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not big on pink. I never been a fan of that, you know what I'm saying? I was raised up in the old school, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't knock nobody that wear pink, man, you know what I'm saying? But it's just not going on me. You know what I mean? But anyway, looking around the shoe, man, you see all the details, typical 97 silhouette. There's a look at the top and the front. I mean, you got the blue check on the tongue. You got that same color blue Nike logo on the inside of the shoe. I mean, I think it's a well put together shoe, man. The way they did the colors and everything, man, I mean, it's just the colors not for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not knocking nobody who like this shoe or whatever, you know what I'm saying? That don't even matter to me. I'm just speaking on my behalf. You know what I'm saying? Now here's a look at the little flimsy pull tab. Now it's on there kind of sturdy, but it just feels a little flimsy. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. Here's a look at that tongue area with all of the mesh and the little lace loops and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a fire shoe, man. You know what I mean? Both of the shoes are identical. So there's no difference between the shoes, no different branding or anything on the shoe nowhere. You know what I mean? So you got the exact same layout on both shoes. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna take a few more looks at it, man, and that's pretty much it. You know what I mean? Now here's a look at the bottom. See, you got that T in air under the bottom of the pink sole. I mean, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You're not interested? You don't fuck with shit like this? Let me know. It is what it is, you heard? But yeah, man, a lot of people been going crazy behind this shoe. Now they came out with another Air Max with the same colorway, same pattern, but I forgot which one it was. I'm not sure if it was the 95 or, you know, when you find out, let me know in the comments, man, because I can't remember. Got a lot of shit be going on, man, you know, so sometimes I forget some of the simplest of things, you know what I mean? But here's a look at the shoe, man. I think it's a nice summertime shoe. I think it's hot. It's just not for me. You feel me? There's a look at both of the soles. Like I said, everything is identical on both shoes, so you ain't got to worry about no surprises or nothing being popped up on you, like, you know, you discovering something that you ain't see before. So I mean, it is what it is. Y'all go ahead and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazelle504, and I'ma holler back.